Question 8.2. In the diagram, the diagonals of quadrilateral CDEF intersects at T. EF is equals to 9 units, DC is equals to 18 units, ET is equals to 7 units, TC is equals to 10 units, FT is equals to 5 units, and TD is equals to 14 units. So this is where we're going to use our ratios and determine what they want us to determine. So firstly, prove with reasons that angle EFD, so let's actually find where that is. So EFD is equals to ECD. So I'm just going to add x here because that's basically, we need to prove that those angles are equal to each other. So firstly, that already gives us a hint as to which specific triangles that we need to prove that are similar or similar to each other. All right, so in this instance, let's actually use our ratios. So first things first, we can see that this side EF is half DC. So let's go ahead and write that out first. So, okay, let's actually write the triangle. So in triangle EFT, right, so that's in EFT. It's a small triangle there. And let's just highlight it. And in our other triangle DCT and triangle DCT. Because those are the two main triangles that have that angle that we need to prove. So these are the triangles we are essentially working with. So firstly, is coming back to our ratios. So EF over CD is equals to 9 over 18, which is equals to half. So what we can do here is, if we prove that each side of these specific if the sides are proportional to each other, then we can say these are proportional triangles. Right? So then we can, our reason would be that the sides of the angles are proportional. All right, so that's the first one. And then thereafter, that was the first set. So they all have to be in the ratio of 1:2, or basically their ratio has to be half. That is the first set. Then the next set is if we have to go ahead and look at ET and TD, we get something of 7:14, which is 1/2 again. That's fine. That's perfect. So ET divided by TD, which is equal to 7/14, which is half. That's good. That's what we wanted. And then the last two sides, which is FT and TC, which is 5/10, which is also half, which is perfect. So FT divided by TC, which is equal to 5/10, which is half. So since all three sides are in proportion to each other of 1:2, what we can therefore say is that therefore triangle EFT is similar to triangle DCT, and our reason would be sides of a triangle in proportion. And because they are in proportion, what we can then use from our actual answer here is the fact that angle, or here we can say therefore angle EFD is equals to ECD. And coming back to this here, if we have a look at, because of the sides are proportional, therefore those angles will be equal to each other.